I'm here in Gran Canaria. I'm on the south of the island in the Maspalomas area. I'm about to have a 15-minute rapid antigen test, so it's a nasal swab. I'm at the San Roque Hospital. The test has been organised through my hotel, which is something the Canary Islands have introduced as of the 14th of November. The Seaside Hotel Sandy Beach is the hotel I'm at. They organised it. The cost is €10 for a guest. I'm about to depart home, so I'm getting the test before I travel again. For normal visitors who haven't organised it through the hotel, the cost is €26. So I think €10 is exceptional value. Let's see how I get on. So I've just had my test result. It literally was 15 minutes. It's a quick nasal swab, one nostril, a little uncomfortable but not at all unpleasant. And I have my results. So I get a little piece of paper with a certificate, and the certificate says Antigen result Michael Collins. It gives my name, my age, my passport details, my phone number, and it says I have a negative result, which obviously is positive. And it says the sensibility on the test is 93%, and it was conducted using the Abbott lab testing. So a very positive experience and a negative result. So a great experience, well worth doing, recommended to all visitors to the Canary Islands.